Hello, in this video I'm going to share with you step-by-step guide how to stop TikTok from suggesting your account to your contacts. Yes, TikTok do suggest your account to those people who may know you, including people who have your contacts. Now, as you're getting started, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. Now, go ahead and log into your TikTok and then press up on the menu button right here. Now, after pressing there, make sure that you press on settings and privacy. After pressing on settings and privacy, make sure that you press right here on privacy. After pressing on privacy, make sure that you press right here where you're seeing that suggest your account to others. Make sure that you press there. And after pressing there, make sure that you turn off this. Make sure that you turn off contacts. Also, you can turn off Facebook friends so that TikTok stops suggesting your account to those people. When you turn off like that and then this one off, TikTok will not suggest your account to your contacts. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.